Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing the top strategy trees 5, 11, 12, and 13 of the 13.7. The first tweak is called Photo Book. Adds a rotating slideshow of photos to your home screen. This is called Rocket Bootstrap. Basically, support library to allow tweets to communicate with your services from sandbox app processes. It has been updated to support iOS 14. This is called No Thumbnail. And removes the thumbnail image for recent photos in the camera app. So basically, you see right there, you usually have like a picture, your last picture right there, but it removes that. This is called Bundle IDs. That's app to see installed app bundle IDs. This is called Front Zoom Dial. This enables a zoom dial on front and rear cameras, iOS 12 to 14. This is called Simulate Touch. Simulate fake touch and swipe, support multi-touch. This is called Icon Move, compatible with iOS 13. This is called Translation, and it adds basically for iOS 11 to 13, and adds like, you know, when you basically copy down or hold down the text, with this menu comes up right here, it adds a way for you to automatically translate, you know, the text to you know, different language. This is called Smooth Battery. Tested with iOS 9.2 to 14, gives the opportunity to choose smooth and color options for your battery icon and behavior. This is called K or Kai, and basically all your batteries at a glance. This is called Atson, and it's a priority hub for iOS 11, 12, and 13. This is called YouTube Lite, and basically it's YouTube plus alternative. You get these features right here, all those features right there for YouTube. Supports iOS 9 to 14. This is called Safari Wallpaper. Set a wallpaper for the home tab of Safari, like for Safari 14 on macOS. This is called HSBC Bypass, or Detection Bypass for HSBC HK-UK-France banking app. This is called Better CC at I. Better CC at I gives you enhanced connectivity and music modules, so pretty cool for the control center. This is called Dress. Hide date and time in the home screen. You also get other features too. This is called Intelligent Pass 3, and basically everyone can relate when you are home and touch or Face ID refuses to work. When you host a party, everyone asks for your passcode to cue their favorite songs. This situation can drive you crazy, at least annoy you a bit. This week allows you to disable your passcode on the lock screen when it's not necessary, but at the same time keep features like Apple Pay and iTunes purchases protected. It comes with a beautiful design and makes your device even more useful. This tweak is completely built with core functionality and iOS 13 in mind. It supports both iPhones and iPads, iOS 13. The tweak can disable your passcode during events described down below. This is called Lance Ultimate Device Customization. This is called Reflection, and basically mirror your front camera the right way. So on iOS, the camera app flips your selfies in order to display them correctly after you've taken them. In many cases, this causes unexpected photos. The Snapchat app is a great example of a solution to this problem, making your camera behave like a mirror. This replaces the mirror and behavior in the camera app. So Etris, or and that basically gives you unlimited Safari tabs. This is called Ignify, also an Instagram enhancement tweak. So basically these features right here, it's the Instagram plus alternative. And the last tweak is called Bigify, and makes icons bigger, smaller, rotated, and transparent. So cool visual effects for the app icons. So you guys, catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. And yeah, peace.